Hello everybody and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes. China has been freezing crypto traders' bank accounts. So in a report made by 8BTC, already 4,000 bank accounts have been frozen since June 4th in the Guangdong province over in China for OTC crypto buyers and sellers. Now this is not good for the whole of crypto. China is a very big part of the crypto trading volume, and if they're gonna start purging all these people down who are trading crypto, that would not be too good. However, Chinese police have been ramping up efforts to crack down on telecom fraud, gambling, and cryptocurrency scams, which have resulted in them freezing related bank accounts. So basically, hundreds of thousands of accounts have already been frozen over some time here, and right now they are ramping up the pace at which they are trying to do this, and basically they're trying to hunt down all the scams and all the people who can't explain how they've gotten their money. And that's going to be pretty damn interesting to see. I personally think this is a big hit. However, I don't think it will reflect too much in the price because people who want to trade Bitcoin will still most likely do so even with their accounts frozen. Loophole in US tax law could allow Bitcoin traders to write off unlimited losses. Now, this is something a lot of you guys like to read about. A loophole in the US tax law could allow qualified Bitcoin traders to write off unlimited losses from their trading activities, according to an expert from crypto tax platform CoinTracker. Traders, defined by US Tax Collection Agency Internal Revenue Service, IRS, as people who trade substantially, regularly, and continuously, are allowed to maximum capital loss deduction of $3,000 per year. Excess losses are indefinitely carried into future years. However, CoinTracker head of tax strategy Shehan Chandrasekera demonstrates in a recent Forbes column that crypto traders can use a tax election called the 475F election to go beyond the default limit in any single year. The good news is that the 475 election allows traders to deduct crypto trading losses without being subject to the $3,000 annual limit. Chandrasekera notes, by activating the election, traders can also write off unrealized losses at the end of the year, leading to potential tax savings, the accountant adds. Individuals who want to benefit from the specific tax dispensation should apply with the IRS within 75 days from the start of the year they intend to operate as such. Traders currently pay taxes on profits generated from buying and selling Bitcoin, and the disadvantage is that those who qualify for the election are subject to a higher ordinary income tax rate compared to the long-term capital gain tax rates that casual investors pay, and traders are required to pay the higher tax even if there aren't any unrealized gains at the end of the year. So keep that in mind. Global stock markets to crash soon, according to eToro's CEO. He's basically said, again, a big crash is going to be coming somewhere this year. There is a crash coming soon in the equities market. In the next 3 weeks, someone, not sure whom, is going to short their position and crash the markets. Buyers beware, caveat emptor. Ripple clarifies SVP's statement on large treasury payments reduction on ODL. A little bit more on this is going to be explained in my video that's coming out later today. I went over all of this, however, though, in my previous video that came out on the Dusty BC channel, and thus I think you guys are all aware of it. The Bitcoin Millionaires Club is growing again. While the number of addresses holding more than 100 Bitcoin is down since March, it's starting to pick up again as Bitcoin nears $10,000. So right now we've gone up a little bit again. We're getting closer and closer to $10,000, and that means to become a Bitcoin quote-unquote whale, you'll actually need less crypto. Fund managers, crypto could soon rally 4,000% to a $10 trillion market cap. According to data from TradingView, Bitcoin is trading more than 50% below its all-time high, while Ethereum is down nearly 85%. Most altcoins have registered even worse performances than the two market leaders, crushed as large players cashed out their earnings during the 2017-18 bubble. However, Joseph Teodoro, a not that known individual, is saying, when retail money starts flowing back into crypto, I wouldn't be surprised to see a $10 trillion markup, or a $10 trillion market top, actually. And a $10 trillion crypto would be just over 1/3 of the current value of some of the most valuable companies in the world, including Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon. And this is the S&P 500 market cap over here at almost $30 trillion, here at the lowest point at about 19.3 trillion. That's basically a difference of, let's say, about let's say just 9 trillion or even 10 trillion dollars. And if that were to flow out, it could potentially flow into Bitcoin and crypto, which again could get us those 4,000% gains, and it's something to think about. And last but not least, over 2,000 Coca-Cola machines now accept Bitcoin in Australia and New Zealand. Again, another pretty big but small step for Bitcoin, showing again that this adoption is coming piece by piece. However, I would really like if it were to accept some cheaper coins, like for example XRP or potentially Litecoin, because it's not that easy to pay with Bitcoin for like a $2 thing. But guys, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Make sure you press the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in another crypto video.